seatbelt sign is on and remain seated as movement in the cabin must be limited. We recommend you keep your seatbelt fastened whenever you are seated. If you need to leave your seat, keep the aisle clear to allow others to pass by. Take care of opening overhead lockers in case anything falls out. Toilets are located at each end of the cabin. All are fitted with smoke detectors. Smoking is not permitted on board at any time. This includes e-cigarettes and vapes. Please ensure there are no more than 2 people queuing the toilets to avoid congestion. Due to COVID-19, public health authorities recommend frequent hand washing with soap and water. You cover your mouth and nose with sneezing or coughing and you avoid touching your face. We apply a fine mist of disinfectant to all surfaces in the aircraft cabin. In case of any spillages, advise a member of the crew who can provide you with cleaning wipes. Please do not use your own wipes. We'd like to introduce you to EasyJet Onboard, our brand new in-flight digital service. You can access the closed-loop Wi-Fi on your device by connecting to EasyJet Onboard. Once connected, explore our in-flight brochure, live flight map and play games. Very shortly we'll commence in-flight service for today's flight, given the chance to purchase something to eat and drink. We have a fresh and exciting new selection with products to suit all tastes. Have a look at what's on offer on the brochure in the seat pocket in front or on your digital download. Today we have a range of hot and cold sandwiches. Combine this with a hot drink or a soft drink and snack for £8.50, or treat yourself by adding a wine, beer or spirit for £10.95. We do not accept cash on board. We will accept payment by credit, debit or Maestro card, and contactless is our preferred method of payment. Please now sit back, relax and enjoy the flight.